You can get a Nobel Prize in physics, chemistry, physiology, literature and medicine. Since 1902, all prize participants are issued a medal. All medals has got a face of Alfred Nobel. The medals are made by the Royal Mint in Eskilstuna, Sweden. From 1902 until 2010, the Royal Mint in Eskilstuna made the medals. In 2011, the Royal Mint in Norway, Kongsberg, started making the medals instead. In 2012, the Swedish company, Medalj AB, got the assignment to make the medals. All medals that were made before 1980s was characterized with 23 karat gold. All medals that were made after 1980s was characterized with 18 karat green gold, plated with 24 karat gold. There's another prize and another medal also. That prize is the Swedish National Bank Prize in Economic Science as a memory of Alfred Nobel. That prize were added 1969. It was designed by Gunvor Svensson Lundqvist. The Norwegian Peace Prize was designed by Gustav Vigeland. The Norwegian Royal Mint are the manufacturers of the Norwegian Prize Medal in Peace.